Finally, lunchtime! I can't wait to eat this hot dog. Oh, it looks so good! Come on, come on, come on! Faster! Huh? What happened to my hot dog? You disintegrated it. Give me back my hot dog. Dumb microwave, I'll show you. Wreck-It Ralph!
Ralph? What are you doing?
This microwave destroyed my lunch, so I'm gonna wreck it.
No, you silly! That microwave isn't for heating food. It's a magic microwave.
Yeah, it magically ruined my lunch.
I'll show you how it works, but first we need to fix it. I know just who to call. Hey Felix, it's V. Yep, code red. Again. Okay, cool. See you soon.
So when's he coming?
Here I am. Ralph, it's me.
Oh, hey there, buddy. Sorry about that. It's cool. So I hear your magic microwave needs fixing.
Yeah, Ralph wrecked it.
No one likes a snitch. No worries. Fix-It Felix is on the job. Phew, that should do it.
Yay, thanks Felix.
Not a problem.
Now Ralph, let me show you how it works. First you need some trash.
Oh, I have a bunch of wrappers and boxes here.
Perfect. Put it in and then press the button.
Okay, I'm on it. I don't know what she would want with all these empty boxes, but I guess we'll see. It still looks the same. Let's check it out anyways. Wait, this feels different. I think there's something in it. Let's open it and find out. This is a Minecraft mystery box. It's a part of the aquatic series. On the sides, you can see all the options. There is something in here. It's Steve with the turtle shell. How cool is this? The microwave turned trash into treasure and it made it new again. Let's go put some more in. Here's an empty Peppa Pig house. It worked! I can't wait to see who's home. It's George. He's 2 years old and loves playing with his big sister Peppa. George's favorite things are his flight mite sets and Mr. Dinosaur. Let's work some more magic. Cool, a new mashem. This is a Scooby-Doo one. We got Scooby. He's Shaggy's adorable dog and his best friend. He's more like a human than a pup. And boy, does he have an appetite. Scooby snacks normally do the trick. Let's put in some more. Check out this Puppy Dog Pals travel crate. Inside we get 2 adorable pets. It's Bingo! Looks like he's laying on some grass. Let's open the second one. It's Kia! These two love playing together with Rolly. They're neighbors, best friends, and adventure buddies. We have one more pile to put in. Nice! A new toy for us! This is a Pick Me Pops Bubble Drops. Inside is a plush squeezer with a bubble surprise. Let's open this. Each of these balls come with a joke. This one says, "How do you catch a squirrel?" Climb into a tree and act like a nut. Good one! We got Nuts the Squirrel. I love how pretty these colors are. And check out that bubble. It's full of glitter. You can take the glitter stress ball out to play with it too. Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!